Hello, today we're going to put the A7rIII into the Nauticam housing. First thing first, don't forget to take off the protection cap, otherwise your pictures are going to be all black, as well as your videos. Next, I will open the housing by lifting the two locking levers. Take off the tray, unlock it, and place this tray in the bottom of the camera. To do so, just lift the screen a little, place the tray in the right position, and screw it on. Next, I will slide the camera into the housing. It slides nicely in. Lock it. Then I turn on the switch here, and a blue light will appear. I place the housing in the right position. Make sure that the O-ring is nice and clean. And then put the back of the housing in position. Lock it on both sides. Next step, I will do the vacuum into the housing. So I take off the protection cap. Vacuum. Vacuum. And then the light will turn green. The light becomes flashing green. Then dark green. At this point, don't forget to put back the protection cap. Otherwise, if you just press this button, water will get in the housing. The light stays green. That means it's air sealed, so when I go in the water, no water will get in my camera. Have a good dive.